let's say you have multiple Gmail accounts, and one for your work, one for whatever, for personal stuff, etc. And you don't want to check every single one of them every single time. So what you can do is have a principal account and then have all the email sent to the other accounts forwarded to your principal account. For example, this is my account, the account I use every single day. So what I can do is something like this. I will go to my secondary account, Addictive Knowledge, and I'm going to have all my email sent to this account forwarded to my principal account, which is this. So let's see how it works. So you go to Settings, Forwarding and POP IMAP. The difference between POP and IMAP, you can read it here. The main difference is that if you use the POP protocol, you can we use this two protocols are used in order to download the messages from Gmail servers onto your computer, as it says. So it's you can imagine using Outlook, Thunderbird, and whatever. So the difference is that if you use POP, the POP protocol, you can download and read your email, but if you make any modification, if for example you apply a label to an email, to a message, or you want to archive it in a folder or whatever, it's not going to update the server. So it's going to modify your account locally, but when you're going to Gmail with your navigator, you're not going to see the change. Whereas with IMAP, you've got two-way communication. So you do whatever you want to do with Microsoft Outlook, and then you go to Gmail directly and you see the modification. So you have to add a forwarding address. So I'm going to use this. Next, they're going to send me a verification code. I'm going to there you go, I've got it already. So if you want to allow Addictive Knowledge to automatically forward mail to your address, please click the link below. Okay, and it is done. So then I go back to my Addictive Knowledge. Let's say okay. So there you go. I'm going to enable forward a copy of it, blah blah blah, to this email account. What do you want to do with the originals? Well, I want to keep them, or I can delete them, archive them, mark them, or whatever. So whatever happens to my Addictive Knowledge account is going to stay there. If you want, you can archive them, it doesn't matter, it's up to you. So IMAP access, you're going to enable it, and you're going to save changes. You've got the notification here, you're forwarding your email, blah blah blah. So I'm going to compose a new message, either by clicking on compose or by typing C. Okay. Addictive Knowledge, I'm sending a mail to my own account, of course. Okay, blah 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 blah. Send. I got the message here, and I should have received. Is going to appear in a few seconds. I pause the video in order to wait a bit. So there you go, you've got the new message here. And I can do whatever I want. So now you know how to forward the message from one mail account, Gmail account, to another.